Harrahs is located in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip. Donny Osmond is still a headliner here. Home to Bobby Flayburger, Ruth Chris's Steakhouse, the Piano Bar, over 90,000 square foot of gaming space, and more than 2,500 rooms. It is the preferred discount hotel on the Strip. Now let's go check out this Mountain Executive 2-Queen Suite. We are on the 61st floor, room 57 at Harrahs. This is the Mountain View 2-Queen Suite. This one's going to be 600 square feet. When you first walk in, you do see your wet bar area right here. Have a little Keurig maker, some cups, some coffee right there. You do have your mirror to check yourself out before you head out on the Strip. Right here, you are going to see your mini fridge, empty too, so you can put all your drinks and snacks and whatnot in there. You do have a nice little lamp right there. A nice couch right here. Mom's sitting over on the couch right there. We do have 2 chairs right here and a huge 55, I think it might be a 65-inch flat screen television right there. You do have your bookshelf area if you want to store anything right there. And then you're going to go in here. You do have your 2 queen beds. Super comfortable beds right here. And right here you will see your lamp. You do have a phone, your remote, and another massive television right there. Right here is going to be where your safe is. You do have a couple drawers right here for any storage you do need to do. You got a little ottoman chair right there. Another mirror if you want to get ready before heading out onto the Strip. You do have 2 adjustments on the temperature. One's going to be out in the living area. You will see a few plugs right here. And then you head into the restroom area. A huge deep soaking tub right there. Some pretty cool modern art on the wall. You do have a single vanity sink right there with a huge mirror, a couple towels right there. Right here is going to be your storage area. You're going to have your ironing board, your iron, a couple hangers right there. And then you're going to head in here. This is going to be where your toilet area is. Also a huge spacious standalone shower, and then you do have your shampoo, conditioner, and also body wash over there. A couple towels right there, and then you do have some more towels over here if you need any more towels. But overall, a really big suite over here at Harrahs. If you do like these walkthrough videos, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Let's check out the view and see what kind of view we do have. Not really that good of a view, to be completely honest with you. You do see the MSG sphere over there in the corner, which is kind of cool. You do see the link over there to the right hand side. You do see the tops of the buildings over there, and then a little bit of the link. Not too good of a view from this vantage point, but it is definitely a nice spacious suite. Make sure you leave a comment if you've stayed at Harrahs and one of these. I did spend about $100 on this suite with my player's card, so not too bad. We did do early check-in, that was an extra $60. And then of course your $45 resort fee and $100 incidental damage hold that does go back into the card once you do leave. Like I said, make sure you do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these room tours and walkthrough videos.